Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make egg muffins. Step 1. Chop all desired ingredients. Step 2. Spray pan so eggs won't stick. Preheat your oven to 350. Go ahead and get a bowl, crack those eggs. Add any desired seasonings that you like. Step 4. Add all desired ingredients to this mixture. Mix well. Step 5. Spoon egg mixture evenly into the pan. Make sure all ingredients is under the egg, that way it won't burn. Your oven is preheated to 350. Go ahead and slide those in. And these egg muffins will take around 10 minutes. Try to watch them. They will brown a little bit, but you don't want them too brown. You know, if they're too brown, they kind of burnt. And voila! They are done. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you tried these.